One more trick and then we'll eat. Be right back.
Woo! Come on. The future's bright, it gotta be bright. Come on, let me tell you. Come on, I gotta tell you. The future's here, there's nothing I
Hey, Tony, why the switch to electric?
I got my reasons.
Hey, moving now or never, keep it real forever. Up
How
and down we
cool
go,
is
gonna
that?
ride this one together.
Hey, Mercedes.
Yeah, Tony,
Thanks for keeping my wheels charged.
it's what I do.
How cool is that?
Future's bright, it gotta be bright. Come on, let me tell you. Come on, I got
How cool is that?
just here.
Hop in.
Nothing I fear. Come on, let me tell you. Come on, I got
How cool is that? Anyone who ever skateboarded wants to be as cool as Tony. And as we have seen, he also has good taste in cars. Of course, it's really handy to be able to charge your electric longboard in the boot. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new concept EQT, and I'm proud to be the part of the team that is working with great passion on this exciting project. The concept EQT is the pioneer of a new class, a show car that already offers a very good preview of the future T-Class and its electric sibling, the EQT. It's a fully electric small van that will be the new entry into the Mercedes-Benz world for families and leisure-active customers. The concept EQT is for people who need one thing above all: a lot of space. For example, the family of 5 who enjoys weekend trips and always packs a lot of luggage. Because all favorite toys and maybe the longboard always have to come along. And perhaps a few friends too, or the dog, no problem. Because the concept EQT is a 7-seater that offers a lot of space inside. For example, in the second row, there is the option of fitting 3 child safety seats next to each other. Also, it even makes the big weekly shopping trip for the family more fun. But as I mentioned, the concept EQT is also for our leisure active customers. People who enjoy sports or have a lot of hobbies, or want to get out regularly. The concept EQT also has practical sliding doors on both sides and a lovely panoramic sunroof. The top quality you have come to expect from Mercedes-Benz in terms of comfort and safety contributes to this. One example here is our forward-looking MBUX infotainment system. Of course, it also includes the latest driving assistance systems. And thanks to its compact proportions, this small van fits to almost any parking space or garage. Last but not least, all-electric driving pleasure with a competitive range is an important factor. But the concept EQT does not just drive like a real Mercedes, it also looks like one. To be precise, a Mercedes from the EQ family.
As a pioneer of a new class, the concept EQT impressively demonstrates the characteristic Mercedes-Benz design philosophy that we call sensual purity. It also sets new standards of high premium quality in the small van segment. In the front, the black panel grille with our Mercedes-Benz star pattern catches the eye. The design shows that this van clearly belongs to our Mercedes EQ family. Here, the star pattern runs throughout the entire vehicle, even on the 21-inch wheels and roof lining. Strong shoulders and pronounced wheel arches emphasize power, emotionality, and beauty. And all of this without compromising functionality, because the rear offers an effective, flexible space for a wide range of applications. The combination of typical Mercedes intelligence, emotionality, and high quality also continues in the interior. The fusion of the dashboard and cockpit with pebble-like shapes allow for practical storage space. Once again, form and function go hand in hand. Center shapes, elegant trims, and sustainable premium materials, such as braided leather, ensure that all occupants feel right at home and casual in the Concept EQT.
The all-electric Concept EQT impressively shows how Mercedes-Benz vans will shape the future in the small van segment. It's the pioneer of a completely new class, the T-Class. Alongside the V-Class, which is successfully positioned in the midsize segment, the new T-Class will become the newest member of our privately positioned van family and our small van portfolio starting in 2022. The Concept EQT already demonstrates that we will electrify the new T-Class as we did with the EQV. It also shows that we are pushing ahead with our lead in electric strategy at full speed. In fact, we'll offer electrified versions of our entire product portfolio. The new T-Class will be the attractive new entry into the Mercedes-Benz world for families and leisure-active private customers. As the name clearly states, the Concept EQT is a concept vehicle, but it's already very close to the upcoming series production model. The spacious 7-seater offers stunning Mercedes-Benz design, state-of-the-art connectivity, and the perfect combination of versatility and comfort. It also delivers maximum quality in the small van segment. With the new T-Class, we are going to win new customers and grow sustainably in all senses of the word in line with our strategy. The future is coming. I'm looking forward to it.